I am myself Arun. I have completed my graduation from Ramaya Institute of Technology in the Computer Science and Engineering department, and I passed out in 2023. So while searching with the jobs, I found JSpiders. In here, I learned from the scratch, from the core Java to advanced concepts. And JSpider is one of the best training where we'll be getting. And here there are many trainers with a well experienced, and they have a well quality teaching is also provided here. And at beginning I learned from the scratch with the help of Shishira sir, and SQL started with my Deepa ma'am, and then advanced core concepts have been covered by Uday sir. After that, to develop my developing programming skills, Raghu sir has helped us a lot from the teaching from the basics how to develop your technical skills. So it will be very helpful for our future programming knowledge. So everything it has been helped by Raghu sir. And to crack with the interviews, the Rohan sir have helped us a very lot, and to how to understand with the basic knowledge and how to crack the interviews. It has been very helped by the Rohan sir, and with the well trained teachers I have been successful to in today's life. So I have been placed in a good company, and I am thankful to all trainers, because here every trainers has been the very friendly and very supportive to each and every student. And finally, I thank you for the HRs to be a part of this my successful and even the HRs are also very friendly with each and every student.